class 1. How are you all today? I hope you all are keeping yourself fit and healthy. My name is Mrs. Shweta Yadav and I am here to take your EVS class. Children, in today's class we are going to study about how we can keep ourselves fit and healthy. Children, to keep ourselves fit and healthy, we should eat healthy food. We should drink clean water. We should keep our body clean. We should take rest and do exercise regularly. So now we will discuss these points in detail. Eat healthy food. Children, to keep ourselves fit and healthy, we should eat fruits and green vegetables. Drink clean water. Children, we can drink clean water by boiling the water before drinking or water from water purifier. Keep our body clean. To keep our body clean, children, we should take a bath daily and we should trim our nails regularly. Take enough rest and exercise regularly. Children, we should sleep for at least 8 hours and we should do exercise regularly like yoga, cycling, running, walking. By this, we can keep our body fit and healthy. Children, now we will discuss some question answers based on this chapter. Children, question number 1 says, write the functions of the following parts of the body. A. Nose. B. Ears. Answer to this question is nose. It helps us to breathe and smell things. B part, ears. It helps us to hear different sounds. Question number 2. What is the smallest finger called? You all know this answer. We have already discussed in the previous class. Answer to this question is the smallest finger is called the pinky finger. Question number 3. Name the 5 sense organs. This question also we have discussed in the previous class. Answer to this question is the 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Question number 4. What do you need to keep healthy? You will answer this question in points. Answer. To keep ourselves healthy, we should number 1. Eat healthy food. Number 2. Drink clean water. Number 3. Keep our body clean. Number 4. Take enough rest and exercise regularly. Next topic we will do is fill in the blanks. Children, help box is given for you so that you can write the answers from there. Let's discuss the questions. I have 2 dash. What you are going to write? I have 2 hands. Number 2 dash helps us to see the outside world. Answer will be sense organs. Number 3. We should drink dash dash. Answer will be we should drink clean water. Number 4. The finger between the thumb and the tallest finger is called the dash finger. You know the answer. Answer is index finger. Question number 5. Dash help us to see. What are these? Eyes. Eyes helps us to see. Our next topic is write true or false. Children, true and false means if the statement is correct, you will write true. If it is wrong, you will write false. Let's discuss. I use my hands for picking things. Is this statement true or false? This is true because you use your hand for picking things. Number 2. Hands, arms and feet are known as sense organs. Is this statement true or false? This is false because eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are sense organs. Number 3. It is not important to eat healthy food to remain fit. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Do you know why? Because healthy food is important to remain fit. Number 4. Our eyes help us to see the world around us. Is this statement true or false? This is true because our eyes helps us to see the world around us. 5. We should eat healthy food. Is this statement true or false? This is true because we should eat healthy food to remain fit. Children, you will write question answers, fill in the blanks and true and false in your EVS notebook. That's all for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. See you again. Have a good day.